Meaning of Dadaism. Dadaism. Dadaism.
Dadaism. Dadaism. Dadaism is an avant-garde art movement that originated in Europe during World War I. It was characterized by its rejection of traditional values and its embrace of chaos, irrationality, and absurdity. Dadaists believed that society had become corrupted and needed to be destroyed in order to be rebuilt. They expressed their ideas through unconventional forms of art such as collage, performance, and poetry. The result of Dadaism was a radical shift in artistic expression and a critique of societal norms that would influence future movements such as surrealism and pop art.